Today we got the 5070 Ti. Let's do some unboxing here. Let's take a peek at this card. This particular card is starting to hit the market at the MSRP, $750. So the 5070 Ti, if you've been following along, I have the MSI version, and it's a very capable card. Very similar in performance to the 5080, similar die. Slightly scaled back, I guess you could say. NVIDIA graphics install guide. Yeah. Okay. It requires an adapter, a 3-pin adapter. The 5070 requires only 2. The 5070 Ti requires 3. So you're getting one of their overclocked for the MSRP price, whatever that means to you. Okay. This is a beefier cooler than the MSI product. Very clean lines on this. Nice. Clean looking card. 3-slot card. 1 HDMI, 3 display ports. That's pretty standard these days.
Yeah, so the 5070 Ti, a very capable card. You find one of these for MSRP, I would take it over the 5080 at MSRP, or they're usually selling for much more than that. So pick one of these up if you get a chance. You won't be disappointed. And with that, stay safe. God bless.